Alright, welcome to the stream, everyone. Now, in today's stream, we are going to code the Botw Datapack a little bit further. And today, I'm actually not alone, because I got Joris with me.
Hello there.
Hello there. Okay, so the plan for today is probably that we'll fix some things and start working on the Moblin, as he won the community vote. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get started fixing something with the Sheikah slate.
Oh yeah, there was some issues with the bombs now.
Yeah, with the cooldowns.
Yeah, exactly. I need some fixing. I think in the meantime, I'll start modeling the new mob.
Alright. Can you make a tutorial to download Datapack? I mean, there are tons of good tutorials out there already. I'll probably make one at some point because I get a ton of comments about that. But yeah, just Google for a tutorial. I'm sure you'll find something.
Wasn't there something on your website as well?
Yeah, on my website, like on every download page, there's like a 4-step guide of how you can install a Datapack. So that shouldn't be an issue. And yes, we are making the Moblins.
Yeah, please keep in mind that Datapacks only work for Java Edition as well, in case you're wondering.
Yeah.
That might be the issue.
Also, I think for many people, the issue is simply that they download the file on my website and simply put it in the Datapacks folder. But as the guide states, there are like 2 folders in the file. There's one resource pack and one data pack, because all data packs, or let's say all data packs which I create, always have a resource pack and a data pack.
There we go.
Okay. Are you on the server actually already?
Not currently. Good luck going real quick.
Alright. Let me quickly show you guys what I mean with the cooldowns are a little bit broken.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
If I throw a bomb, for example, and detonate it, you see the cooldown is running out, but if I don't hold the Sheikah slate now, basically the cooldown won't run out. As you can see here, it starts from the same thingy again. So, yeah, I'm going to fix that now.
You're also not able to use both bombs at the same time, right?
Yeah.
So that might be something we have to fix. Let's see.
Let me quickly set this up here. Yeah, that's
right.
quite alright, I think.
The microserver. There you go. Oh, wait. Still looking at the slimes.
Alright.
Alright.
The cooldowns are currently in the main Sheikah slate function. I already have that open here. And to detach it from the actual Sheikah slate, we first wanna the Sheikah slate gets called here. But I think for the cooldowns I wanna run it in the entities function. Might be a good idea. And hello, Matic
How many cooldowns are there? Because you might want to make a separate function.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a separate function.
Yeah, okay, fair.
But I'll just make the entry point here.
No, fair enough.
So, new file, cooldown, .mc function. Basically, I'll just say whenever Yeah. Whenever I hold the Sheikah Slate and the trigger button was pressed, I add a cooldown tag. BOTV, BOTW, slate, cooldown. Something like that. And now let me quickly target this tag here in our entities function. I know it might seem like a lot now because this data pack's already filled, not like last time in which we basically coded a new data pack. But the structure is like always the same. We got our main function here with our items function, our entities function, and our reset function. And basically from there, all the items and mobs are called. So from entities, I'll quickly call the cooldown function.
Oh wait, you don't like it when I do this. I may or may not have called something main again.
What?
Let me update that real quick. Keep right.
Okay. OBS just told me that it needs to reconnect. You might have had a little lag just now, but it should be fine. I hope so, at least.
For me, the stream is freezing on my tablet, but...
Is it better now? Like, do you see anything moving?
I think it works. Well,
okay.
I mean, it's not... Yeah, it's working.
Okay, perfect. From the Sheikah Slate, let's move these cooldowns here
Let me add
to the cooldown function. And execute as add as. Whenever the player doesn't have any cooldown anymore, I'll remove the cooldown tag. BOTV stasis, cooldown equals 1 equals 0. And BOTV. I still always say BOTV.
It just comes out there, right?
I really
it's
can't.
Okay. Do I? Nah, I don't think so.
Actually, let me move that here.
Is it better as 3?
Alright. That should work, I guess. Should be fixed now.
Nice. Oh my god, I need to turn on my mic volume. There we go.
Yeah.
Wait, why am I in?
Yeah, the cooldowns seem to be fixed.
That's good. Now you can make it so you can use both bombs at the same time.
Yeah.
Because I think that's a bit of an issue.
Yeah, true.
They share the same cooldown now.
They share the same cooldown.
They should definitely have their own, I think.
Yeah. Actually, at some point we need to add something for the round bombs as well. They should kind of roll or something.
Yeah. I mean, not exactly sure how much. Oh, depends on how complicated you want to make it. Otherwise, you might be able to do that right now.
Not sure. Maybe in a later stream.
Yeah, fair.
God, I haven't looked at that in a while.
It's a mod code. I'm kind of need to break some of my own rules to make this Moblin. Such a weird character.
Astron bomb.
Is it not centered?
I think we had a tag for like which bomb is selected, right? BOTV, Sheikah bomb around.
It's either that or it's just like the selected Sheikah.
There's still the spelling mistake in here. Like we used to Right Chica with double E.
Yeah.
It's actually spelled with EI.
Yeah, exactly. That was so silly.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So I'm not sure if that's going to work, but I just hope so. I'll make this the normal bomb and like another cooldown for the square bomb. Chica bomb square. Now let the cooldown count down here. And add this scoreboard.
Let me try this.
Put that in here. Now the moment of truth. I actually don't think it is going to work. But let's see.
Nah, it'll be fine.
It will be fine.
I think he's actually...
Okay, that looks good. Wait, I haven't made a display for the square cooldown yet.
Oh yeah, that might be needed.
It still works though. That's weird. I thought it would be either broken or... I don't know. It's weird.
That is weird. But you can use both at the same time now?
What do you actually mean by using both at the same time? I thought you were referring to the cooldown, like to the
Let's see actually. Let me get the slash function. Give. Wait. Is it included in weapons? No, it's not. Is it miscellaneous then?
That is really weird. I'm currently looking at the Chica slate function here. And it says... Wait, why did we put the... Oh yeah.
Oh,
here's the square one and here's the round one. Wait, what?
If you throw out both bombs and you explode one of them, then you can't explode the other one for the short wall.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's an interesting bug. Probably something you need to fix. Because I mean, it won't be possible, but.
Oh yeah, okay.
Like in Breath of the Wild, you can do like the bomb. Like I forgot the term they use, but where you use both bombs to like launch yourself a wall. So you can explode both bombs at the same time, pretty much. Or not necessarily at the same time, but you can explode whichever ones you want, basically.
I see currently that the size is messed up here. There you go. By the way, all the structures you see here are basically how we implemented the custom structures. In Datapacks you can... there is like a world gen folder and you can pretty much configure in which biomes and under which conditions a structure spawns. And then you got these little jigsaw blocks here. And basically what these do is, it's pretty much like a puzzle. They connect to a certain thing. For example, the path here, this is a path, wants to connect to a building here. So there are pools from buildings which this jigsaw block could pick, and these buildings spawn here later. Also, it's pretty much everything is randomized. So a path connects to another path, but there's actually a path pool. So there is a T path here. There is a pretty much straight path here, And this is pretty much the same system villages in Minecraft are using too. So that was kind of neat.
Yeah, the system has like, so many cool things you can do with it.
Yeah.
But it gets rather complicated rather fast. So
Yeah, it really does.
This guy got long arms.
Also, did I kill the armor stands here? Probably did. Huh, sad.
For the chest?
Yeah, for the loot pools.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of sad. Actually wanted to show, because I referred to that in the last stream, how we used custom dimensions for actually defining our loot pools. Wait, maybe in the stable there's still the entity spawner.
Yeah. Oh, I think it was on the tower.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure I saw it on the tower last time I
Sure. No. Okay, we might have killed all the armor stands. That's a little bit unfortunate.
Not me this time.
Weird.
I saw.
I'm pretty sure I saw them yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's fine.
The project fantasy is that we're probably doing the Moblin later on, but I was just fixing some things. And yeah, after that we'll tackle the Moblin. Basically, he won the mob vote. Which is interesting, because I didn't think he would win. Like, all the other mobs... I mean, I just put the Moblin in there to, like, make a bigger vote, so you have more options to vote from, but I didn't actually think it was going to win.
Yeah, no, exactly. I don't think it's necessarily the most interesting mob, but it's pretty recognizable.
Yeah.
So that's cool. Definitely not a bad inclusion for the project.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let me take a look back at the cooldowns.
5.95. Most.
Has rune bomb.
Ooh. 13.12.
Pick up square.
5, 6. That's pretty good.
Whoops. But yeah, in that case, it's pretty easy. Just have to remove this line here again. Pretty much like it was before. BUTW square. Like that. And now... Let me see if that works. Wait, what?
Is it working?
No.
Did you break something? Oh god.
I broke something.
No. How could you?
Does the other bombs still work? Okay, yeah, the other bombs seem to work still.
5.
Wait, do I pick the bomb up actually?
Go.
Huh. I think probably we were referring to the cooldown when we using the pickup function.
Maybe.
Yeah. We were.
Yeah, no, fair enough. I don't know if I want to do this actually. We'll see how it turns out.
Okay, I don't see the cooldown, but I think it's working.
Nice.
Don't say nice. I said I think it's working. Doesn't have to mean anything.
No,
Literally.
I believe in you. I believe in you. Maybe just this once.
I could definitely have left a comment here which one is which, because these are both like bomb cooldowns. One is for the square one and I don't know which anymore. But probably the last one is the square one.
Yeah. Oh, assuming it's never gone wrong.
Jeez, this project is now nearly 1 year old.
Is it?
Yeah, I think we started in like February or March or something.
Oh, really? God. That's kind of crazy.
It really is.
But I mean, the first video only came out in what, like August or something? July?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay,
I'd
no,
like to
it's
think
not
it's,
working yet.
6 months old.
It's not working yet. Well, that doesn't matter.
Oh.
For the most part, at least.
Looks like a monkey.
I'm so excited to see how it looks like.
Bro, he's a bit silly so far. Oh, his feet are too big. Kind of got a big toe. But...
Was there anything else I wanted to do? Thought I was pretty certain I wanted to do 2 things. I changed one line and I was like, okay, what was the other thing again?
Oh, like this is... Wait. Is the Moblin not taller than this? Oh god. Where's the Moblin? Let's open the Moblin mod.
Oh yeah, I think I know what I was supposed to do. Because in the Sheikah Slate function, actually, I think... Yeah.
Oh god.
And this, kids, is why you left comments in your code.
Yeah, cray.
I do leave a lot of comments, but not enough, I suppose. I pretty much leave comments for chapters, but I could like explain a little bit in my comments what this actually does, I feel like.
Yeah, it's... I mean, I don't know, I usually try to make pretty descriptive code, but that's not always the best either. Why is it too big?
Yes, it works. It works, Joris.
Nice. Let's try again. Transform skill 2. There we go. Now we just move this.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
is the pivot?
I think I'm actually going to start coding the Moblin now.
Yeah, sounds good.
Like, doing the base already.
Could probably have like a version 1 of the model done fairly quickly. Yeah, this is better. Just don't think we necessarily... Like, I think in the game that Moblin can be... It's like, what? Twice as tall as the Moblin? Yeah, it's huge, but I think I want to be slightly more moderate.
Yeah.
Minecraft version.
Also, for all viewers right now, Can you hear everything properly? Is like the background music on a good level? Can you hear Joris properly? Is everything alright? Because I can definitely change something if that's not the case.
There we go. This is right now.
Okay. So, to get started with the Moblin. Moblin.mc function. I might turn the music a little bit more quiet. Just because I really don't know how it sounds like. Okay, as a base for the Moblin, we are probably going to use a zombie, I'd say.
Yeah. It's probably fine. I mean, you're probably good to copy a lot of the Moblin code, honestly.
True.
But for the base, just make sure I can, like, do the horn thing and stuff.
Yeah. I won't make it invisible yet, because we don't have the model yet.
Yeah, it's a pretty good idea.
So I'll just leave it at that for now. And go into our entities folder and add a new file here.
Do I?
Might make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think that's much more readable now.
Let me try a bit of texturing.
It looks really weird to me because I don't normally code like that, but whatever.
Yeah, it's always weird getting code.
Oh, and hello, Argon. Execute as add s tag UTV Moblin. Add s run function UTV entities dash Moblin. Okay, now I think we're really good with copying some of the Moblin code.
Yeah, you should probably be fine.
Actually, we haven't even talked about how are we going to spawn the Moblin. Is he like, because we could definitely let him be at the Moblin camps like the other Moblins.
Yeah, I mean the camps at the very least, I'd say.
But we could also put him in the ruins or something. That would also be an option.
True.
I think I've actually seen something that you can change the spawn behavior, like the respawn behavior of mobs inside a structure.
Oh, true, yeah.
We might want to do that at some point.
I'm not sure if you can just spawn base entities, though. Like, I'm not sure if you can, like, spawn an entity with MP2 or something.
Oh yeah, I really don't know.
Would be required.
All of this is purely documented anyways. The only guy who, like, everything of this wouldn't be possible without Mizodi, or whatever he's called, like, whatever he's pronounced, but
yeah, exactly.
He's doing such a good job at documenting this shit.
Mm-hmm. No, I agree. It would not really be possible without them.
Yeah. Okay, we can definitely copy that. That's like for the sound effects of the whole thing. And let me see, detect player. Now I think I think we don't need a club-less state for the Moblin.
Probably not. Depends, I guess. Oh, let me actually set the pivots to these. Make sure they can be animated.
Gonna make him silent.
God.
1B. Good. That should already work.
The graphic cue, please. Thank you.
You know what? Since zombies will burn without a model, I'll just quickly put something on a set. Something like armor, items.
Give him a...
What would be funny for testing?
I don't know. Give him like a... Wait, why am I dead? Give him a Moblin horn. Isn't that an item? Did I actually put that in?
No, I think we don't have the... Oh yeah, yeah, we can put the Moblin horn item, but it's like 2D. It doesn't look funny. What would be a funny item for testing?
Not that one. I mean, I think the other horn. I think actually,
The 3D modeled horn is part of the 3D model of the Moblin, I think.
Yeah, but I think I export. Actually, probably not include this. Doesn't matter. Do I
Let's give him a cactus head. I like that.
That works. We like cactus heads.
Yeah, it's simply
survival.
It's simply set block Minecraft. Yeah, it's cactus. Okay.
I always forget the syntax for it though.
And hello, my toaster died.
Yo. What the toaster do?
Yeah, literally. How did your toaster die?
Yes, quite unfortunate.
It really is. All right.
Oh, that's too high. No way. Yo, rideable shields.
Look at this boy. Doesn't he look like a perfect Moblin to you? I know, right?
Let me see what you're doing. Oh, if I
yeah, and even though it's a zombie, he does like... I'm not sure if you can hear that because it might be a little bit quiet for you, but he does like the piglin sound effects.
Probably want to pitch it down with a Moblin.
Oh no, we don't have rideable shields in the data pack, but that's...
That would be sick though.
That would be so sick. It's tough to do though, I feel like.
How tall are you in a horse that's named Dinnerbone? Are you as tall or are you lower?
Thing is, if we summon an armor stand with passengers, let's see if I can remember it from my head. ID Minecraft horse, like that. Yeah. Thing is, we need to attach the custom model somehow. And like this, you can still ride on the horse, but it's not like really on the ground. What you can always do is teleport the armor stand to the actual entity, but depending on how fast you move, that doesn't look too great.
I mean, I'd say it's right. So
I mean, I can show you how it looks like. That's probably a quick thing. So
we also want the horse to be like slightly lower as well.
Execute as at E.
Maybe just kind of like sitting on the shield.
Tag equals. Run TP add S to crate. Alright, and this should teleport an armor stand. X test YT to me. Look, it's now following me. But if I move really quickly, you see it's supposed to be at my position, but okay, to be fair, my server here isn't the fastest. It's probably not that bad in a normal Minecraft world or on like a proper server, but
I think it's solely ping dependent for
but
the most part.
it's definitely not like on your position.
Yeah, well, actually, the interesting thing is, it looks way better on my screen. It's almost spot on.
Oh, really?
Compared to you. That's kind of funny.
That's interesting.
That is, I mean, it's probably the ping too. I think that's the main thing.
What about pigs with saddles? Pigs with saddles, I mean, they run into the same issue. We somehow need to attach a custom model to it. I think... but I think somehow like this it could work, maybe. Maybe there's a way to do this. If we replace the armor stone with another entity, maybe. Oh, wait. Wait. What if I make the armor stand marker?
Yeah, that probably works.
Oh!
Because then it has like no hitbox and the
That's perfect.
Can't you even...
Look, it's attached to the armor stand. And I can probably...
I think you can use... what's it called? I think slimes with the Dinnerbone name tag. I think you can use them to like lower the position of entities that ride the slime. So with that, you can artificially lower the horse into the ground. Actually, you don't even need to, because the armor stand can just be low. Since you can just teleport the armor stand to where you're looking. That would actually be really cool.
Let me quickly try something.
You host your server with a Linux.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Oh. Thing is, these armor stands can't get motion now.
Yeah, but I think it's fine to teleport armor stands if a player is like if you teleport the entity that's being ridden by a player, it's fine. I did that in Galactic Combat as well for a turret, and then it's actually interpolated because then for some reason it's only like if you teleport entities, they actually kind of get lerped in linear interpolated from the last position, as opposed to a player that's immediately teleported.
Such a professional data packer. I'm taming this horse now.
Nice. But I'd honestly try it. Like, I think if you teleport the armor stand that you're riding, the armor stand that the horse is riding that you're riding, then I think you can make it work.
How I host my server, I basically got like a simple Linux server. I rented a Linux server. And yeah, I got my website and, for example, like the server here on it. It's pretty good to have a full-fledged Linux server because you can do whatever you want with it. Like if there's some other game you want to play with your friends, you can always do it because you can always set up the stuff yourself on your own server.
Yeah, if I were ever to get a micro server, I would definitely do it your way as well.
Yeah.
Only issue is that I suppose it might be slightly more expensive, like beefy server, like a more beefy Minecraft server.
Yeah.
Because I mean, this isn't a perfect solution since.
I mean, if you really want something good, you might want to have a dedicated server, but unless you got like a money tree or something in your backyard, it's pretty expensive.
Yeah, exactly. That's why personally, I mean, I don't necessarily think it's a great idea for everyone. But if you just want to play with your friends and you actually know what you're doing, Port forwarding is probably your best solution if you just want to play Minecraft with friends, honestly. But then again, you kind of need to know what you're doing, and if you don't know anything about computers, then it might not be the best idea. But it should be mostly fine. Okay, I think this will have to do for now. Oh, did I? No. Let's get rid of this. Let's paint it. Woohoo.
You know what?
Create texture. There we go. Beautiful. 128 by 128 texture, which almost.
That might work.
Maybe we can make it work actually.
Wait, what? I could just put that in the data pack too to see how it looks like. I'm just gonna put that into the main function quickly. Not this main function. Like here, probably. Oh no, I can't use the distance selector. I was lazy and just used the distance selector instead of spawning an armor stand with a proper tag. But I can still be lazy and say as gray add as and it will still work. Easy solution.
Nice. I like easy solutions here. This doesn't work right now, does it?
Yeah. It's teleporting up instead of forward, but whatever, I used the wrong rotation. I mean, looks alright. Goodbye, horse.
Just want to...
Oh, it uses my rotation. That's interesting. Oh. No, I didn't show that. I forgot to change the scene again. Basically, this is how it looks like. And I think we probably can make a mechanic out of that.
Yeah, probably.
Now you should definitely see the game.
Yeah, we can. It looks yeah, this is quite cool.
Yeah, no.
It looks quite laggy for you though.
Yeah, my server, I mean, as mentioned, the server isn't like the best.
Can I try it? Give me a super horse.
I give you a super horse. Wait, I need to code that for you.
Oh no.
Okay,
okay, the horse really likes you, I think. Oh, there we go. For me, it seems a bit better than on stream.
Yeah, this
is so funny.
Yeah, that does look pretty cool.
Nice. Yeah, that's good. Oh, so horse gonna come to me now. Oh god, it's coming for me. That's quite funny. Yeah, I'd say this works, honestly.
Yeah. We can make something with that. Even if we don't use it for shield starting, we can use that for something.
I'd say we make a fighter plane or something.
Exactly.
So I mean, you can just like make a cool master cycle and pretend like Hauzeki hasn't done that yet, or Hauzeki. How would you pronounce his name properly?
I think it's simply Hauzeki.
All right. Super horse.
Nah, I think it's fair to not touch the master cycle in a while.
Yeah, fair.
By the way, everyone, Hauzeki's doing a premiere at like... Okay, I just noticed that I need to convert the time zones. Anyways, Hauzeki's doing a premiere in like 2 hours or something. 1.5.
1 hour, right?
Yeah, 1.5, basically.
Yeah, it's gonna be quite exciting.
So definitely check that out.
Elements. transform, flip.
Super harsh moment. Exactly.
Let's see, does it actually unwrap as a 64 by 64 section? Yeah, be lovely. No, it doesn't.
Okay, let's actually get back to coding. So actually, there's one thing I want to try for the Moblin. If I summon a zombie with hand items, hey, script hook. And give him, it doesn't really matter which item it is, Minecraft stick count 1B, and give it, oh god, enchantment MBT. I think it was, I need to look that up. Minecraft,
I have no idea.
enchantment, NBT. Yeah, it's apparently simply enchantments.
Is that too long?
Yeah. So enchantments. ID Minecraft knockback. And let's say level is 20.
Oh yeah, that's better.
Can he knock me back now? Of course he can't.
Let's try this.
No, that would have been too easy.
That would have been way too easy.
Okay, so normal knockback attack, probably not an idea.
How about Iron Golem? Like the Iron Golem can like toss you upwards. That could maybe work.
That's actually not a bad idea. I was actually going to code like a function to give the player levitation maybe, so I don't know, the Moblin would slam down with his club, so the player flies in the air. But the Iron Golem would actually work too. Wow.
Can you make the Iron Golem angry though? Because if you can't forcefully make it angry at the player, it's... I know that works with the Enderman.
I'm pretty sure you can.
Well,
like...
the thing is, I couldn't get it to work with zombies and skeletons, so I don't know. Hopefully it works, huh? Because with Enderman, at least in 1.19.3, you can set a angry ad attack.
You can modify his attack knockback attribute.
Is that a thing? Oh, I think it is actually.
That could be a thing, yeah.
Then you go to MC stack.
What are you working on currently? We want to add the Moblin to the game. But we're like just getting started, so we probably won't finish the Moblin today, but we fixed some things at the beginning, and now we're starting doing the Moblin.
Let me get some paints going.
So, okay. We can try that, my trusted died. We can try that. Oops. Let me quickly...
Okay.
So attribute at E, type equals zombie, distance is 5, limit 1. We want attack knockback. Base set. I don't know. Let's go with 50. That works. Thanks. Thanks, really.
Oh, nice.
Interesting though. Because, I mean, I was kind of upset about the fact that the enchantment with the knockback didn't work, but I was also kind of expecting it because mobs don't typically do that.
Yeah, true. Yeah, usually the enchantments work on mobs. I don't know why knockback doesn't work.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we can definitely spawn the zombie with some extra attack knockback.
I'm still not entirely convinced if this is the best solution though, because you can't immediately apply the effect. So maybe we will have to do levitation after all.
Of course you can immediately apply it. That's not a big deal. You can summon a mob with attributes.
No, true, but I mean, sometimes the zombie just decides to the player for some reason. That's what I mean.
I couldn't really properly hear you right now.
Sometimes sometimes the zombie just decides to no attack immediately, or
Oh,
there could be issues with that.
yeah, maybe. Just to check it, let's test the Iron Golem thingy too. So summon an Iron Golem. Make him angry.
No, he's angry.
And data get entity at E, type equals Iron Golem. Distance 5, limit 1. Okay, so is there anything here that... I was basically looking for a UUID which says... Wait, there are 2 UUIDs here. UUID, name random spawn bonus. Oh no, that's just an attribute. No, so he doesn't seem to store which player he's anger time.
Yeah, no, that's quite ironic.
Or let's quickly modify the value. Modify anger time, set value. So now he doesn't attack. If I set the anger time to 100, he still doesn't attack. Maybe he forgot me as I went into creative mode.
Yeah, I think he do. He does. Silly Iron Golem.
No, he doesn't seem to store it in MBT.
Yeah, like I think all that stuff is like some background things.
Is there an angry add attribute, Argon? Because you're just putting that in the chat. I don't see angry add here. I just see the anger time.
Angry add works for some mobs, as far as I know.
Angry at, I think, for example, you can definitely spawn a wolf which is angry at a specific player. That does work.
You can do an Enderman as well. I did that recently in 1.90.3 at least, because they explicitly changed it then, and I was hoping they changed it for all mobs, but then I looked at the bug tracker and it stated that they're probably not going to do it for all mobs.
You can definitely put other mobs in teams so they will only attack a specific... they won't attack specific players. That's how I've done it with the Vampires data pack. I basically set the player in a team with all the undead mobs, so the undead mobs won't care for the player anymore.
Yeah, exactly. That's...
Yeah, he forgot. Stupid Iron Golem.
He forgot.
I saw one with that name. Is that Argon? Huh. I mean, I can just quickly go back to it. And get specifically the angry at attribute. And no, doesn't seem to have angry at. Anyways, I think the zombie with the attribute might be our best solution right now. Though he definitely needs some attacks as well. I might make the levitation idea like the slam on the ground, so every nearby player like levitates in the air. I might implement that because otherwise, I don't know. He needs some things to make him special.
Yeah, no, I agree.
I mean, the Moblin definitely won't be the only thing we're adding in the next update.
No, exactly. We're also adding the Octoroks, obviously.
I mean, yeah, we could. I still like the idea. Also, what we could do with Octorok balloons would be so cool.
True. Do I put the ice here?
Wait.
I think I do. Or like this, maybe. Yes, that works. Let me color this. Boing. Oh, wait a minute.
Perfect. Let's show you VS Code
I
again.
need to move this by...
And we put inside the Moblin function, we put our attribute in.
Is that too much?
Base 40.
It's 0.15. And then this is 0.1. And then this is 0.05. Oh, wait, this
Summon
is
Moblin.
0.1.
Yeah.
0.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely need to make him way bigger than the Moblins. Or maybe not that much bigger, because usually big entities don't work like properly in Minecraft.
Yeah, exactly.
The Guardian was also like a big problem to face. Okay, I think I'm gonna do just the levitation attack now. So... yeah, let's add a Moblin folder here. That was a file. Moblin. And let's do slam.mc function.
Yeah, that won't matter much, Argon, because we're gonna use a custom model anyway, so that will determine the eventual height.
Yeah, basically the base mob will only matter for the hitbox of the mob. Yeah, you can customize the size with a slime, that is correct, but the thing with slimes is they are rather hard to handle. Like, the thing is, if I spawn a slime here, I can kill the slime, right? but now we have more slimes. We can do something against that. Like, we can teleport the slime under the world and kill him there. But you also see the slimes are jumping around and they're simply not behaving like you want them to. They are perfect for hitboxes, actually, but only if you not want the hitbox to move. I mean, we kind of use a lot of slimes for the Guardian to have the hitboxes there. But it really was a pain to do.
Yeah, no, slimes are...
So unless we really need to use slimes, we're not going to use slimes.
Exactly. I think we can do this.
Execute as add E, type equals BTW non-alive. This is basically a list with BTW non-alive is a list with mobs with entities which are simply
dead, I suppose.
Yeah, not really dead, but armor stands, for example, item frames, items. Nothing that is actually alive. So, and to not target the mob who's executing the function, you can do simply distance equals 0.1 ... So that way, it will only target entities which are in a range of at least 0.1 and everything beyond that. But we probably want to limit it as well, so 5. Run tag add as add BTW Moblin slam. So we're giving them the tag because we're likely don't want to levitate them for a whole second. Sadly, Minecraft only allows a whole second, but we can clear the effect with commands.
Interesting though. Well, I'm not sure. It might be fun to do a bit of testing on that. When I did something very similar like that, just basically cutting off the levitation effect earlier, using a scoreboard timer, I noticed inconsistent results in the height you'd achieve. I mean, it doesn't really matter for this, but
I think it's just a matter of skip ticks, maybe.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure because it seemed to be binary. Like, it seemed to be either go like quite high to like say 25 blocks, and if not 25, it'd go to like 20 or something.
Yeah.
But it would like be either 20 or 25, no in between, which is really weird. I tried to fix it, but I couldn't find anything.
Also, I think we need to add a scoreboard here, sadly.
Yeah, you can't just run it for...
Yeah.
It needs to accelerate, so you probably want to run it for 5 or something. Bro, this Moblin looking goofy. Not sure if I want this to be defined. I mean, it's gonna look so much better with shading, but let me just send you a screenshot, I suppose. Oh, that's not how you take a screenshot. It's not quite perfect, but this should be easily animatable. So yeah.
Ooh, I really like it, actually.
That's good. That means I'll go on to shading. Yo, is everyone German here? Oh.
Just because 2 letters.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Imagine speaking German. I could never.
Run scoreboard players add as.
Yo, Frogger Overwatch. Hello there.
Yeah, might make a function for that.
I think I'm gonna finish up the shading of the Moblin or the Moblin, and then you can get pull and then put it on the armor stand or the zombie.
Yeah.
Let me actually. Oh god. god, what is this?
I put that in the summon function. That is wrong, of course.
Head. 1.6.
Yes.
Let's see.
Slam cancel. And we're going to put all the code.
Put it on armors. Oh.
Simply running
Slide.
function btw entities moblin slam
Slightly taller than this one
cancel here. Then we're adding btw moblin slam here. And as soon as this hits, let's say we run it for half a second, so as soon as it hits 10, for example, we clear the effect. How are you today? I'm quite well. How are you?
Textures. New folder. Moblin. Actually, let me restart Blockbench so I can name
If it
them
hits
all.
10. And now tag add as remove btw moblin slam. You can kind of see I always try with all the scoreboards, or basically we try in this data pack, but I'm doing it for all my data packs as well, that I put the data pack name in front of all the scoreboards and all the tags, simply because I want it to be compatible with other data packs. Because, for example, if I would use a tag called test or a tag called dummy, there is a pretty good chance that another data pack uses the same tag, and we don't want that. Whoops. All right, let's test it out. We'll probably use this pig as a cast. So in theory... Oops. No! 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 Ah! Get inside there.
Is he not behaving?
No, it... Joris, this Minecraft pig's too smart for me.
No.
No! Literally one hit and it would be in the hole. Anyways,
Silly pigs. What the pig
I'm just using an armor stand. I thought it would be funny to simply use a pick or something, but...
You give him no AI next time.
Yeah, but...
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
We only like putting living animals. That's a joke, by the way.
I'm not violent towards animals in Minecraft.
Can't believe he's violent.
That
towards
is
animals.
a false news. Fake news, you might even say.
Be like a false news.
You like our fake news?
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
True. Wait, entity stash Moblin.
Crazy how much a bit of budget
Reload.
shading helps to make a model look so much better.
Slam. Oh, yeah. Maybe a bit faster, actually. Bit faster, but also a bit less long, I'd say.
I'd make it even faster, I think.
Yeah.
Actually, the stream's a bit delayed, so I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Looking at the right thing.
Alright, let's try that again.
Let's make this look a bit...
Argon, which piggy do you mean? Do you mean that one?
All the ones.
I'd say even faster, actually.
Just do like levitating 100 or something easy.
Oh, did I even reload? I think I didn't reload.
Solidified cray moment.
That is good, like, from the time, but I don't think I get damaged that way. Slightly. Needs to be faster so I get more damage.
You can artificially do some damage.
I could, but only in steps of 3 hearts.
Yeah, fair. Wait, does he have a tiger print? Or is that only the blue one?
Still only half a heart.
Oh, the red one doesn't even have... Oh.
Oh no.
Okay.
Huh? Pretty certain I got 1.5 hearts once. Weird. Really weird. Okay, that might be okay.
Doesn't have...
But we also want some nice particles, I'd say. Now, I'm mostly using dust particles, so which one would be good? Block, Minecraft, dirt, and like a range of 1, 0, 1, 1, 100. Oh, yeah.
Yo, Giga Chat.
I think I'm gonna stay with 1 and like a count of 80. Yeah. Oh no, that was the right function. And we also need a custom sound. Play sound. It's one of these moments again. I know exactly which sound I want, but I have no clue how the sound is called in game or even where to search for it.
What? Just like, can you not do it with your voice? Maybe I know it.
I'm not gonna use my voice again.
What? Using your voice right now. It'll be fine, Cray.
There's one sound in the Botw Datapack which I actually made with my mouth. And I'm curious if any one of you did notice. Well, I'd say it's a hissing sound. I don't want to give too much clues because then you'd immediately know it, but...
It's fine, Cray. I know it. I mean, I may well move my mouth as well.
Maybe that one works like lower pitched.
Okay, this is
That would work if he was hitting like a metal block or something, but
yeah,
well,
what's the
pretty
sound you're
much,
looking for, Cray?
pretty much a stone scratch sound or something. Like
Stone scratch sound.
I don't know. And in general, we don't really need that specific one I'm looking for. We just need a sound that works. Can also use an explosion, for example. That would also work probably.
Yeah. Wither attack maybe? That might work. That's maybe a bit too harsh though.
Minecraft entity.wither.attack.
Yeah, it might be too harsh, but
Break block.
Yeah, there's one like.
Yeah, that's exactly the one I was looking for.
Wait, really?
The scratching sound here.
Let's go. Nice. Yeah, use that one. That should be good.
Yeah, like that. Sounds good. Yeah, something like that as an attack. Of course, the animation is still missing, and the mob is of course not going to be an armor stamp, but you get the idea.
Wait, really?
Yeah, really.
That's crazy. Okay. Well, I think I'm almost done, honestly. Could always put some more work into it, but I think this is about as good as it's gonna get for now.
Oops, that wasn't me.
How come I'm dead?
I don't know. There was a creeper or something.
Aww. Silly creeper. Alright, let me quickly finish this knee joint.
Oh, hey Zabel.
Unhide these.
How are you doing? Alright.
Okay, I think I'm ready to send this over.
Yeah? Okay.
Do you want me to make the item or do you do that?
You mean the Moblin Club?
No, the item so it can be displayed in game.
Oh, I can do that. Just need to quickly set that up.
Fan of the... Oh, this works.
Alright guys, give me a second.
Yeah, almost done. Oh, that's too much. Okay, let me push it real quick. Wait, did the display right?
I think I opened the wrong one actually. No, that's beautiful.
I haven't pushed yet, so.
No. That's not what I meant.
Alright. Reese is back.
Let me...
Stage all. Commit. Add Moblin. Commit. Push. Alright. Maybe I should have pulled first. I don't think I have to though. Yeah, I think I'm fine. Yo, imagine studying.
Is that
I
the
don't have
right
any exams
source?
for the coming weeks. So
Oh, it's not.
just have one today though.
Somehow OBS doesn't show me the right source right now. Like the one for the resource pack.
Silly OBS. It's okay, you can finish it off real quick.
I think I want to show what I'm doing.
Okay, why are there 2 armor stands to me, by the way? Wait, how many armor stands? Hang on.
Explorer X. Okay, no idea.
Distance.
Can do it like this.
Oh no, Cray, why are there like 5 armor stands?
Okay, now you see like the resource pack. That's good. So, as with everything, we need a new clock.
We like clocks. Clock's the best item in Minecraft though.
They kind of really are for
yeah, it has no use and it's stackable, so it's the perfect item to replace.
I think I just spoiled something. Anyways.
That's fine. But it's fine. We just don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that. You saw nothing, guys. That's everything you saw.
Just a pile of rocks. Don't worry about it.
Just a pile of rocks.
Anyway, wait, changing the horses to match Breath of the Wild, that might be kind of interesting. I don't know how we would do that though.
Wait.
Oh no. Great, you really need to get rid of this thing though.
Which thing?
Like all armor stands are floating on me. I'm not sure where you put that in which file you put that, but
What?
I got a bunch of armor stands like surrounding me. And now I need to kill them.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Don't kill my armor stands.
Oh, too bad.
I actually know in which file I put that, but I'm not gonna remove it now. I don't have it open right now. I'm really sorry.
That's okay. I'll just actually.
It's in the entities function somewhere.
Me open.
Oh no, it's in the main function actually. Wait. Okay, so let me get focused here. Did you? Yeah, you made Moblin. Okay.
Yeah, it's great, right?
Yeah, it's really good. Great.
You can rename it if you want, but.
No, it's alright.
Wait, Craig, do you see that right? Do we only have like what?
How was
7
your
models
experience
left after this?
Huh?
Do we only have 7 models after this?
Yeah, we can just count. We can
animals?
just count up to 4. It doesn't really matter.
Okay, fair.
How was your experience with Pollutant and German Let's Play? It was really well. I mean, they are both really nice guys. Like, basically, Pollutant wrote me on Twitter that they wanted to use my polygons data pack, and I was at this time already working on the update, and yeah, later, like, we talked a little bit more, and later German Let's Play asked me if I could add gravity guns as well. And I simply used the magnesis mechanic from this data pack, modified it a little, and made the gravity guns data pack with it. But yes, it was pretty cool. They are really as nice as they are in their videos. Okay,
Yeah,
where was I? I think I already added the thing.
yeah, is the mod on the game yet?
I think
And don't
so.
forget to push. I want to see it as well. Wait, why did I? Oh, I couldn't find it, but that was because I was in the gravity guns data pack for some reason. I think I helped you fix that one or something.
Yo, there it is. There's our little Moblin.
Yo,
Looks really cool.
look at him go. Silly goofer.
Yeah,
Might tweak him a bit, but I think he's quite nice.
I think he's really cool. Yeah.
Still need to do the animation, of course. But
Yes. And probably emission textures.
you wanna have his eyes glow? Did we do that for the goblins or?
We did do that for the goblins, yeah.
Yeah, okay, fair. Let's do that then. They always look so silly in the UI if you don't change that.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, as you said, you didn't change that, so of course.
Yeah, exactly. Can't be bothered if it will only be displayed in the head anyway.
I don't like how my code editor is slightly bigger than my scene. Anyways, can't be bothered right now. Yeah, and the summon function, we are simply going to add the custom model now. So the cactus was really cool, gotta say, but he has to vanish now.
No, the poor cactus. What do you ever do to you?
Also, I think we need to do something so he doesn't drop the thing. Wait, in the bokoblin function, I think... I think we overrode that here with the death loot table. Not sure though.
No more armor stones following me.
Oh
What are
no,
you doing?
armor drop chances. That was what I was looking for.
Oh. Yeah, can't you just copy the entire thing? One of these and you should be
I don't really need to. I think I got all the text in it now, which I need.
not fair.
Have a nice evening as well. Thank you, really appreciate that.
Did you push the resource back?
No. Give me a second.
That'd be neat.
Oh, didn't I make him invisible?
Just a floating goblin for me.
No, apparently I didn't. Oh, I should maybe show it. Yeah, the zombie's not invisible yet. Might have. Oh, yeah. I was thinking about armor stance here. Of course. That one.
He can't just do that.
Yeah.
Give him the effect already. I mean, God forbid Mojang like makes things like invisible. Like,
Yeah, it's so dumb that this doesn't work for like all mobs.
yeah, I mean, honestly, they're probably too busy doing other stuff. But at the same time,
They're probably busy adding no features at all. Like literally. I feel like Mojang could add so much more. It's I don't know.
Like they obviously want to preserve like the
Yeah, but I don't
the core
feel
Minecraft feeling, but
I don't feel that. Minecraft has to change. Otherwise it will die.
I mean, personally, I think what would be best for Minecraft focus on the creative aspects of the game. Like, add more things to creative modes / like for data packs and stuff. But I mean, they already kind of started doing that with the like the creative inventory and stuff. And like lights and stuff. Those are all good. And of course, like the overall data packs a couple of times, but there's still so many things I could do to improve by a lot.
Okay, this boy really needs some animations, but other than that, he's pretty cool.
For me, it's just a floating.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna push that. I'm gonna push that now, and also to show you guys, because I constantly forget to change my scene. Yeah, here's the thing. This is how he looks like.
Oh, look at him go.
Or boy in game.
Little Moblin.
By the way, you saw my second comment on your newest Botw Datapack video. I'm not sure. I probably did because I see all comments, but I'm not sure currently. Wait, weren't you referring to like adventure maps that No, I'm not sure. I don't get it together anymore. Oh yeah, with the cooking pot, that the haste effect doesn't really make sense because you might want to use the Botw Datapack in adventure maps. I mean, if that's the case, I'm not sure haste has an effect on damage too, right? Like, can't you hit faster with haste? But I'm not sure. The Breath of the Wild Datapack is definitely supposed for simply a Minecraft vanilla world, which you enhance with like this Breath of the Wild experience. It's not like really made for an adventure map, although we will add adventure map concepts, but I don't want to spoil too much.
Yeah, they'll hopefully be a part of the Datapack soon.
Yeah, I mean probably not soon, but like in one of the next 3 videos, I guess.
Yeah, I mean we can probably say what the next, like the theme of part 4 will be.
Yeah, the next one will be the enemy update basically, or the combat update.
Combat.
Yeah, basically 1.9, but without the without the stupid tag cooldowns and stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll add some cool things related to that.
But yeah, does that answer your questions, Abel? Or is there anything else I did miss here? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna push now.
Yes, that'd be great. We can just do model animations, right? Because I only be bothered to turn this into an animated texture.
Yeah, of course we're going to do model animations. We did it with the bokoblins as well, so.
Yeah, except with the bow one, because the skeleton would break. Right. So this is pretty poor texture there. Whatever. I'll fix it later. Because in that case, let me just.
All right, let's push.
Like a walk cycle.
You can get pull now.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Ananas. Quite a lot of German people here today.
All the Germans.
All the Germans. But yeah.
What did we name the Moblin animations?
Normally we need to. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Moblin just killed the stable master here.
Yo, he's built diff.
Yeah, he's really aggressive now.
Giga chat.
Such a giga chat.
Export as Moblin walking. Oh, Moblin walk. L. And
yeah, lag animations are usually not that hard to make. Though I don't think we have that much time anymore, since in 20 minutes Hoziki's video will air. And yeah, don't want to miss the premiere. But simply what you do is you have one leg rotation where the right leg is forward and the left leg is pretty much backwards, and then one for the other way around. And you simply switch the model out. It's pretty easy actually.
yeah,
I can show you how it looks for the components.
Of course.
It's primitive, but it's how Minecraft data packs work, honestly.
Yeah, I'd say it's good enough.
Yeah, I mean, there's animated Java, which is like a program someone wrote to, I think it applies animated textures to models.
No, animated Java animates the rotation of armor stands with like the individual models on it.
Oh, okay. So you always need to use an armor stand for that.
Yes. Oh, no, one armor stand. You use like as many as you have animated things, and then for each armor stand, there's also an area effect cloud to mimic how bones work in like a software like Blender. So you get a lot of entities, and a lot of entities means a lot of desyncing on servers, which is not ideal.
So I'm first time watching, so what is this data pack about? This data pack basically, you probably know The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, and this data pack basically adds the Zelda experience to the game. And we already have 3 parts out with content of Breath of the Wild. And yeah, we are currently working on the 4th part.
Oh god.
Basically, we got our Sheikah slate here. It has a lot of different modules. For example, you can throw bombs. You can have your little Cryonis module here. All the mechanics from Breath of the Wild, basically. And probably the biggest thing we added so far is this boy here.
I love the Guardian.
Yeah, he's really cool. He's really cool. Also, it was a really good idea to detach the head. That made him so much cooler.
I know, right? The fact that he looks at you at all times.
Yeah.
It makes him so much more menacing. It's worth the occasional desyncing, I'd say. Especially because he stands still quite a bit if you're close enough.
Normally looks a bit better if the server isn't lagging that much.
Yeah, it works especially well in single player.
Yeah.
But I'd say it works quite well in this.
Also,
yeah, this is all on Infinite Minecraft.
Also, it's supposed that only one Guardian is present in your world at any time. Because while it works with multiple Guardians, it might be laggy at some point. Because, I mean, you saw the model, basically. It's a pretty high-res model, and Minecraft isn't really optimized for such things.
Yeah.
So we made sure that only one Guardian at a time will be in the world.
Part 3 has the updated texture pack though, right? We've had the big animated textures.
Yeah. We had a very big issue that our FPS were basically drained all the time because we used an animated texture which was very high res. And it seems that Minecraft interpolates this texture all the time. And this caused a lot of lag. But basically we got rid of all of it by removing this animated texture. And I mean, it was only a slight effect. It was not something we really needed for the Guardian or anything. So yeah, it's totally fair to remove that one if it makes problems.
I mean, the CPU basically was forced to do or to change a 250,000 pixels of a certain texture every frame, which doesn't sound too extreme, but because it's on the CPU, it actually lowers your frames by quite a bit. By just having the resource pack active, you didn't even need to like see the Guardian visibly on screen.
Doing something like that on the graphics card isn't a big deal, but since Minecraft, I mean, it's fair, I guess. Minecraft doesn't have like big animated things in the game, so it's fair that they do it on the CPU. It was never supposed to do such things.
Yeah. I mean, it's just so much easier to do something like that.
Yeah.
If you want to do it on the GPU, you need to write some kind of like either compute shader or a regular shader. But if you like, Minecraft needs like better proper shader support. That'd be pretty cool. But I don't think they're gonna do that. Like you have vanilla shaders or something, which is weird and kind of neat, but it's a bit silly.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
Oh yeah, what I wanted to show is basically how we animate these things, because we're not going to yet, but I simply want to show you how it's we done it.
I sent you the models.
And
just copy the code. You should be done within a second.
Yeah, I mean, I can also quickly do it. Might not be an issue. I mean, we still got 10 minutes. We might be able to do it.
I think you can. I can do the walking real quick if you want. Like set up the code for the animation, and then you just do whatever you want.
What do you mean? Do you want to do the model or you want to do the code?
The model's already there. I sent you that on GitHub. I just haven't set it up properly.
Like the walking model?
Yeah, the walking model.
Oh, okay. Yeah, basically, this is how you do it. You have your timer here. This timer actually only runs if the entity is moving. And this here is probably right leg forward. This is basically standing still, but it's part of the walking animation as well. Then left leg forward, standing still, and yeah. This is how we do the walking animations. Just gonna copy that over.
Oh my god, the summon folder is so large. You probably wanna split that up.
Yeah, it's really large. I'm gonna quickly finish that. Okay. I need to open up the resource pack again.
Okay, do we want to add the blue Moblin or blue Moblin as well?
Let's talk about that after stream. Maybe.
Okay. I'll code it as if we are gonna, because then that should save some time.
Wait, what did I do here? Fuck. Oops. There you go.
Okay, I think it should work if you have updated the models.
92,
No, don't ruin my code, Cray.
94. Wait, did you?
I just fully did it.
Oh, that's why I was so confused that there was Red Bokoblin here.
It's Red Moblin. If
Oh, I'm sorry.
I can just remove this tag for now. Here.
Yeah, we can revert that.
There you go. Yeah, I've reverted that as Moblin instead of Moblin. But I mean, we can also. I think it's better to keep the animation separate in case you do want to have. I think, and even not, if not, animations can take quite a bit of space. So. Oh, yeah, okay. This system doesn't work as well if you're both accidentally working on the same file.
Yeah, but it's fair, I guess. I mean,
yeah, nah, it makes sense.
yeah.
It's a unsolvable issue, almost. Unless you do that as Google Docs, which is pretty good. But
Go walk. No.
is he no walking?
He's not working.
Oh,
yet.
does he still require the Moblin tag on your end? You might want to check that. Or like does he still require a specific tag? Because I removed that, but it might have bugged out. Because you changed it.
BUTV Moblin Red, it doesn't have this tag.
Yeah, exactly. Like either remove the tag from the. I removed it from the walk. You can also just give it.
Yeah. Just run it like that.
Let me just close Visual Studio Code before it before it explodes again.
Still doesn't do the walk.
That's weird.
The
animation should be cold, so. Did it make a mistake, maybe?
I think I made a mistake. Wait.
We all made a mistake today.
Yeah. I don't have the animation scoreboard running.
Oh, yes. No, that makes total sense.
All right. Please work now. It does seem to do it, but for me, it's an unloaded texture.
What the hell?
For you too?
I don't think you push yet. Classic Ray. I don't even see him right now.
Yeah, he's gone. He's dead.
Oh my, wait. Does reloading your resist book always take that long for you?
Yes.
Wait, it's actually taking quite a while for me as well now. Not as long as for you, but... stupid Breath of the Wild takes too long.
Custom model data.
You sure you got the right names? I called it Moblin Walk.
Oh, you called... No, I don't have the right names. I simply did Moblin R and Moblin L.
No, it needs to walk because he's walking. Because he, yeah, it depends if you want to give him the club in his hands all the time. I have to look at that.
Yeah, you know this move.
Let's go.
Still a bit laggy, but as mentioned, it isn't. It is a bit more fluently on a normal word. Yeah. Okay. So here's the Moblin. All right.
Looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
I'd say not bad. Next
definitely.
time we make the Octorok. Hell yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah. All right. Thanks everyone for being here. I think we did quite some progress today. And actually, let's do such a stream again, like Breath of the Wild Datapack stream. Really enjoyed that. So see you all next time. And yeah. Do you want to say anything, Joris?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily. All right. Bye, guys.
Enjoy the rest of your evening or day or whatever.